Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today I've got a news update for you. Let's get straight into it with the upcoming mainline release of the 57 Chevy. It's a beautiful car in pink and it's going to be very, very popular. Now it's also going to be released as a Super Treasure Hunt version, and I've actually got the Super Treasure Hunt version here already. Now I'm really excited to have it, and I'll be able to open it for you guys very, very soon. Both the mainline and the Super Treasure Hunt will be released in the 2020 K case. Now, when that comes out, you're going to have to keep your eyes open so you can try and score one of these off the pegs. In the Hot Wheels Factory Fresh series for 2020, car 2 of 10, we'll see the 2019 Corvette Zr1 Convertible. This is a brand new casting for 2020 and it's released here in this really nice blue color. You can see lots of tampos. We're going to have the Corvette symbol on the front there as well as headlights. Let's hope we've got some tail lights as well. I'm really looking forward to seeing what that rear wing looks like. Is it going to be plastic or part of the die cast itself? I'm hoping it is all die-cast and no plastic. Now, Hot Wheels will soon also be releasing a semi-premium Pixar series of cars. The movies represented in the series will be Toy Story, Monsters Inc., Finding Nemo, The Incredibles, and Cars. Now, out of all 5 of them, I think for me, The Incredibles, Fished and Chipped, is probably my favorite. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite of the upcoming Pixar series. Now let's check out some upcoming mainlines from the 2020 J case. This case has already been opened by a fellow YouTuber, so check the link in the description below so you can check out the whole unboxing and see every car that was in that 2020 J case. But I just wanted to show some that I'm looking forward to, and I think that you will too. The 98 Prelude is in silver here, and it's a spectacular looking car. The interior is red and it's got those nice clear windows. I think it's going to just be so popular. If you see it on the pegs, you'll have to grab it straight away. Now this is a bit of a strange one, but I'm still looking forward to it. The Erikstein rod from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. The first time I saw this truck, it reminded me of the Mod Rod. Now, I'm not sure if it's just because they're similar colors or because the designs are similar, but just to me, it really stood out that they're very alike. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this Hot Wheels Hot Truck. Now, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento is a mainline for the 2020 J case, and it's going to be released in the baby blue color, as you can see here. Now, it will also be a Super Treasure Hunt for this case, so if you find the Super Treasure Hunt version of the Sesto Elemento on the pegs, you are one lucky collector because it's going to be very, very popular. Now, the Jaguar Xe Sb Project 8 is also going to get a recolor. It's going to be in a very dark green and it will be released in the Hot Wheels Night Burners series. I think the dark green goes very well on the Jaguar. It's almost a British racing green, which is a good fit having Jaguar be a British car. Now we'll also get to see the 57 Plymouth Fury in the Hot Wheels Flame series. I think it's a really nice car and it's going to complement that 57 Chevy that we saw first up. 2 cars released from 57 in the 2020 mainline series is pretty cool, so that's another one I'm really looking forward to. Now, a fantasy casting that I do actually like is the Velociter. We're going to see this one in the Hot Wheels Olympic series for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, and it's a really nice car. I mean, I don't know, just pretty cool. And it's also, you know, the Roadster is related to the Velociter. Let me know in the comments below if you like the Velociter. Now, the infamous Boneshaker will make an appearance in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. It's really cool, it's very colorful, every panel looks different almost, the wheels are all different. I think this Boneshaker is going to be one that everyone wants in their collection. I know I want it. Now, the Kiyose Stinger here is another new casting for 2020. It will be released in this blue color, which is very, very nice. You can see it's got the Kia symbol on the front there, as well as the headlight tampos. I think this one possibly will also have a tail light tampos. Would be really cool if this is also a factory fresh model. Now, the Lamborghini Urus is going to be released again in the mainline series. Now, it's had a bit of a retooling. You can see it here in yellow. This is the release we will get. Now, the retooling includes things like the mirrors on the side of the car. The first release we had of the Urus was more of a pre-production prototype version, whereas this is the actual production model. So that's why we've seen a retooling here on this casting. Now, a release in the Hot Wheels Exotics series for 2020 is the Aston Martin 177. It will be released in red and it looks really, really nice. But what's even better, it will be a chase car for the Hot Wheels ID series. That is really exciting. This is most likely going to appear in the Hot Wheels 2020 N case. So that is the 2020 N case. We should see this Aston Martin 177 as the Hot Wheels ID chase car. The 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 is also a new casting for 2020, surely to be popular, and I'm very eager to see if it's a JDM or a regular left-hand drive vehicle. Now, this is the initial release, but I do think we will get a lot of recolors of this pretty cool Nissan. We should also get to see this Audi R8 Spyder in the Hot Wheels mainline. You can see we've got the picture here in that really nice white color. We've got the tampos on the hood there for Audi, as well as the headlight tampos. And it's got some rear tampo work as well, which is very, very nice. Let me know what you think about this Audi R8 Spyder in the comments below. Now, the Toyota 2000 GT is another cool casting for 2020. It's going to be released in the Hot Wheels Olympic series for the 2020 Olympics from Tokyo. Now, Hot Wheels recently got the license back to make Toyota vehicles, so this is one of the first ones back to market. Now, it's very exciting. I really want this car, and I think a lot of collectors are going to want this car. So to see it as part of the Olympic series is pretty cool because Toyota is a Japanese brand and the Olympics are in Japan. So it's a really nice car to start off their new license with Toyota. Now, just to round the video out, a car that everyone knows is coming is the 2013 Chevy Camaro Hot Wheels Special Edition as a regular treasure hunt in the 2020 K case. I'm really looking forward to this car because I love Camaros. So this may be not that new news everyone was looking for, but it's definitely news because this is going to be one popular treasure hunt. So if you see it on the pegs, you will have to grab it straight away because it won't be there next time. Alright everyone, I hope you've enjoyed the news update. Smash that big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.